Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a JAYS S Living Flex wireless speaker and you need to do a hard reset on it. Now you might want to do this hard reset to factory default settings for two main reasons. The first reason is troubleshooting. If your speaker will not connect to Wi-Fi or will not pair with your devices or will not sync with your devices, or if it keeps disconnecting or you're having any problems with the sound or connectivity, a hard reset is a good troubleshooting step to fix these problems. The second reason is if you want to set the speaker up in a new location, on a new Wi-Fi connection, etc., having it deleting and forgetting all previous pairing information will give you a fresh start. And it's quite easy. So if you would like to get started, all you need to do is come in here and press and hold the Wi-Fi button. This is the pairing button. You're going to press and hold this button for greater than 6 seconds. After you've held this for greater than 6 seconds, the speaker will automatically reset to its factory default settings.